When you have the fraction bar, oh. Welcome.
I got lost.
It happens. So, when you have the fraction bar, simplify the top and bottom first if you can. So like on this one, the top, I can combine the y's to be 6. Then the big numbers will divide, and since the 4 is bigger, it'll be down there. As far as the exponents go, you subtract, and the variable stays wherever there's more of them. So with the x, there's more x's on the bottom, and if you subtract, it's 2. And with the y, there's more of them on top, and if you subtract, it's 4. There you go. Okay. So with this, again, the 0 just disappears, but only with the thing that it's actually touching. So I'm going to combine what I can. So 8y x negative 3. With negative exponents, I recommend circling them and then move them to the top or move them to the other side so that they become positive. In this case, they'll just cancel out though. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. This is my only y. And then 3 minus 3 would just be 0, so those x's cancel out. If there's ever a fraction and there's nothing left on top, stick a 1 up there. But yeah. Oh my gosh, this is a horrible example. Oops. But one thing with raising a power to a power, so if an exponent is outside of parentheses, the coefficient needs to be raised to that power, and if there's an exponent, you multiply them. So it just happens to be 1. So 4 to the 4th power is 16. I think it's 216. 256. That was close. It's been a while. 216 is 60. Anyway, here we go. This is a good one. So I'm going to do the parentheses first. And basically the exponents just multiply. So I get U8 V8. And then I just have to add my exponents. So it becomes U9 V9. Then I'm going to do this whole one, but if you have like big parentheses like this, start on the inside. So the parentheses on the inside would end up being 2 to the 3rd, A to the 3rd, and then B to the 9. And then 2 to the 3rd is just 8. So over 2BA4. So then I have 8 divided by 2 is 4. There are more A's on the bottom, so I'm going to put it down there, and 4 minus 3 is 1. There are more B's on top, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So the inside is all simplified, but essentially now everything gets a 0 power. So that's the same as saying 4 to the 0, B to the 0, A to the 0, and anything to the 0 power is 1. So it just kind of goes away. So if you had noticed that from the beginning, you could have just said the whole thing equals 1. But 1 times 1 divided by 1 is still 1. There we go. So anyway, those are all the exponent laws.